Structures. In this tutorial, we will learn about structures and their types. First of all, metals. We all know examples of metals, and we see them every day. For example, bronze, steel. This is a picture of steel, and brass is a metal as well. It's yellow and it's used to make wind musical instruments like the flute. Another metal is aluminum, also copper, and many others. These are some types of metals. Another structures are crystalline or crystals. You can see them in the picture to the left. It looks like powder, but if you look under the microscope, if you take a closer look under the microscope, you will see that the structure is crystal. Sugar cubes, for example, are made up of small crystal particles, also called crystalline. You probably heard of ice crystals. This is because ice is also made up of crystals or crystalline. As for diamonds, see how beautiful they are. Diamonds is one of the most expensive jewelry. It has a unique structure and a very beautiful appearance. All of these examples and all of these pictures show different structures of substances. And beneath the structure, there is also difference in the physical properties.